Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today, as promised, we are going to look at this bag together. I will tell you why I chose this bag, why this color, because this bag comes in many different shades and also variations. For what occasions I am planning to carry this bag and what fits into this bag. Also, like always with my bag reveals or unboxings, I am gonna show you how I plan to style the bag, you know, for winter, summer, smart, casual, everything. And also everything you see in this video will be linked down below. If I find an item at different retailers, I will link different retailers down below for you, so you don't get only one link for one item, because I know we all have our preferences and all that, right? So, and as a frame of reference, I am 170 centimeter tall, because I think this is important to know when you look at a bag. First of all, I show you what fits into this bag, and this was actually something I was very curious about. I wanted to see if my phone, my gigantic phone, fits into this small bag. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's how it's called, I think, which does fit into this bag, but this is the only way I can place this phone in this size into this bag. If you have a smaller phone, I can imagine you have more options, but for me this is the only way. It can also hold my eye drops, but this is about it. And yes, no water bottle, no way, and no sunglasses would go into this bag. But I knew what I am buying into. I mean, this is a small heart-shaped bag, right? What else would I expect? So this is minimalistic packing at its best. My phone has replaced my wallet, and yes, I need my keys, of course. But I will also show you what else you can fit into this bag, how else you can pack this bag. If I left my phone outside, I could take my wallet, my keys, and a few other bits and pieces. By the way, if you enjoy high-end fashion, but also good quality high street fashion, if you enjoy styling videos, unboxings, and all that good stuff, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you here. Thank you so much. Of course, this bag is a great bag for the evening, but I didn't buy it just for the evening because I don't go out that much. I bought it to carry it around during the day and, everywhere, really. You can carry this bag this way. I mean, how beautiful is this bag, right? I mean, carrying it this way, it blends in. It is very subtle, even though it has a beautiful shape, heart shape. It's still, it blends in. It's very quiet. It's in the background, but still it is there. And I love this bag so much. I mean, another thing I really need to tell you is, normally when I unbox a bag, I know I am very excited about these things. I mean, they are exciting things, right? But normally I have a bit of doubt after opening or right when I'm opening it. With this bag, and if I'm 100% honest with you, actually I bought this bag with intention of sending it back, because I thought, I know myself, I love classic things like, this bag or this bag. I mean, if you want to call it boring, by all means, but I always liked this bag. But I thought this is just a lot of money for a fun bag, right? But then, long story short, I opened it and I saw it and I fell in love with it right away. It was love at first sight. When you see this bag up close, you see the quality. I mean, ALAIA, right? ALAIA, they are a high-end brand and they are supposed to be great quality. But this quality, I really love it. So let's say I am out and about with my kids. I would carry this bag this way, and then for the stuff I need for my kids, I would take a bag like this, or just a black cotton bag, or it depends where I'm going. But yes, this is how I would carry this bag. And if I feel, oh, I don't want this bag now, then I can just place the bag into my basket bag, right? And this is it. So I think this bag is more versatile than you would think. One thing that I have noticed about this bag is the zipper. I will give you a close-up. I think this zipper, because of the shape of the zipper, you see the zipper is A-shaped, like for Alaia. And this turns, and then it's a bit fiddly and you need to adjust it. But it is not difficult to do, so it doesn't bother me at all, but this is something you should bear in mind. Another thing that my husband actually made me aware of is that these sharp edges here and here, you see, they will wear off probably quicker than the rest of the bag, and this bag is gonna also scratch easily because it is a smooth calf leather. But I don't care, and I really want to carry this bag and have fun with it and enjoy it. So I am gonna carry this bag for all different occasions. So I'm not holding back on this bag at all. And for me, I take the chance. I love this bag. This bag is such a beautiful bag. It can of course be worn this way. And then crossbody, I showed you already, this way. Also on one shoulder, and I love the adjustable strap. It's very easy to adjust, and I love that it doesn't have any hardware on the strap. So this is as short as it gets, and as you can see, you can also carry it this way. I mean, Alaia is such a beautiful brand. I really love their bags in general. There are a few bags that I have been eyeing, but they are much more expensive, so they need more consideration. I also love their shoes. Alaia has got a mesh ballerina shaped flats as well, which are beautiful, which are very popular and sought after. But I'm not considering them because I have these and I love them, and I can't recommend these enough. They are a bit more affordable than those by Alaia. I think those by Alaia retail for about 800. I may be wrong, but these retail for around 400 euros, I believe. Anyway, love them so much, have been wearing them so much, are dirty, and they are very comfortable. Anyway, back to this bag. The reason why I went with black, because this bag comes in many different colors and variations. I love wearing all black or very dark outfits, regardless of season. But the problem with this kind of outfits is that everything, from the distance at least, looks a bit flat and like a block of darkness, right? I try to break this by incorporating textures, or in this case shapes, different shapes in the same colorway. It helps making the outfit a bit more interesting and less flat. I also love how my crossbody bag does that, especially if I carry it as a shoulder bag. Anyway, I love how this bag stands out while blending in beautifully. For me, I think this is such an adorable bag, and it may be a trendy piece, but most of my items are very classic and timeless, and I think from time to time I can afford and I can allow myself to have a trendy and fun piece. I purchased this bag 1 month ago, and I think today is the last day I could return this bag. But I'm not gonna return it, I'm gonna keep it. I love it so much. So now you heard my opinion. I can't wait to hear your thoughts about this bag. So especially if you have this bag, let me know how you get along with it. And have you ever thought of buying it? I would love to hear all that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.